Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell.
Every great product begins with nature.
Carefully selected ingredients are harvested.
Only the finest raw materials are chosen.
The journey continues to advanced facilities.
Welcome to the heart of production.
Every ingredient is tested for quality.
Science ensures safety and purity.
The formulation process begins.
Natural extracts blend with precision.
We are seeing maximum efficiency on the new line.
Confirmed. The automated systems are perfectly stable.
Soap takes its shape.
Precision shaping begins. Identity is stamped with pride.
Time allows perfection to settle.
Packaging with precision and care.
Quality checks at every step.
Only the best make it forward.
Act with care for delivery. Ready to reach the world.
Delivering quality everywhere.
Now available for you.
A choice you can trust.
Thank you for watching this factory tour. Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.